My wife first saw the Oklahoma Innovation and Expansion Program being promoted in the newspaper, and we thought, well, why not check into it? This was a program designed to help small businesses. As a result, we've been able to purchase some machinery that was definitely needed as we were growing our business.
A lot of the smaller companies, they got old equipment. You know, they're running old stuff. They can't compete even in the market with companies with new equipment just because they can't maintain the quality on the older equipment. There's a lot of resources in this state. People don't know about them, so I try to get them to know about them, and a lot of them are no cost to them, and they really help the business grow.
Well, the first and greatest need we had several years ago was to replace a machine that was old and tired, and as a result of the assistance we received from OIEP, we were able to buy a machine that assisted us to making more pieces of wood smooth because of the way it sands the product, and it was very instrumental in helping us with our table building. The second round of OIEP was the purchase of a saw that was very instrumental to making all the components that we put into a shutter. It's been a big boon toward us being able to maximize the use of our material and also to minimize waste. After the success we had with the first two rounds, we decided to go back again, which we did. We bought a new knife grinding machine, which allows us to grind and then sharpen our own tooling. We also had an older air compressor system, which we're heavily dependent upon throughout the factory to run many different machines. We've applied again this year as we endeavor to expand into cabinets to help us grow our overall business. We're known as master woodworkers, and one of the things people have asked me for years is, why don't you do cabinets? Well, we're just now getting ready to get started.